What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Beyond the Cave. Today I'm getting ready to head out to San Luis. I'm going to meet up with my friend Anthony and his girlfriend Crystal and kind of see what's up with them. I'm also going to be looking for more sounds for this Friday's video coming up. So what I decided to do is on Mondays I'm going to upload a video of me vlogging looking for the new sounds, and then on Friday I'm going to do kind of what I did last week where I put together the song and show you guys kind of my process of finding it as well as uploading the song so you guys could download it for free. So let's go ahead and head out and I will catch you guys in a little while. It's looking like it might rain today, so most of my video might have to get shot on my GoPro, but we'll see what happens. But look at these clouds. Can't really see him, but it's, oh, there he goes. I just got over here to Slow. It really looks like it's probably gonna rain, but it's supposed to have a lesser chance of rain later in the day. So right now I'm just gonna take the GoPro with me just in case, and then later on today I will take out the SL2 and get some better shots. But so I'm walking here in downtown. It's starting to sprinkle, but if it stops I'm gonna try to bring the Canon out here and actually try to get some good shots. There's some pretty cool places to shoot around here. I'm also looking for any kind of sounds I can get, so let's see what we can find. So I came over here to Bliss Cafe here in San Luis, probably my favorite restaurant here. It looks like there is some kind of performance going on over at the Mission, so I might try to go see what that's all about. But Anthony and them should be here soon, so hopefully we will start hanging out and doing something very soon. So stay with me. It's so good. I think I'm gonna go clean up and go over there and check out that music, and then after I think I'm gonna go get my camera and get some good shots. Yeah, I'm gonna go get my camera. I'm missing too much without it, so. Alright, now that I got the SL2 out, let's go get some good shots. Pretty much gone away. It's a pretty nice day out here in San Luis. So I'm over here at the Mission. If you guys have watched my previous videos, I've been here before. But I'm gonna go try to see if there's anything that I can make sounds with and record. So let's go see what I can find. My friend Oren's coming to meet me right now. For any of you guys who have seen the video the last time I was here at the mission, I was supposed to meet up with him, but I forgot my camera when I did, so you guys didn't get to meet him. So out here with Oren, getting ready to go back to his pad and kick with Anthony and Crystal. So let's roll. Out here in Avila with Anthony,
shout out,
and Crystal and Ethan.
Shout out Fentazi, shout out E-Reezy.
It's a cloudy day, it was nice.
Shooby life. Right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys later. I'm gonna take the recorder out and try to get a few more sounds while I'm here, but until next time, peace.